Go ahead, Denny, sing this thing.
Many times in my childhood, when we traveled so far, by nightfall, how weary I'd grow. Father's arms would slip round me, and so gently he'd say, "My child, we are going home."
Going home, I'm going home. There's nothing to hold me here. Well, I caught a glimpse of that heavenly land. Praise God, I'm going home. Oh, my heart gets so weary, and I'm longing to see all my loved ones and friends I have known. Every step draws me nearer to the land of my dreams. Praise God,